Hi there. I just want to talk about some of the plants that have struggled quite a lot in the drought that we've had this summer. We haven't had any rain to speak of for weeks and weeks in this corner of northern France. And though some of the plants haven't minded at all, others have found life very, very difficult. I never water this part of the garden, only when I'm planting new things, which I haven't done at all this year. So let's start off with the roses and the cosmos. Well, these are rugosa roses. They'll be absolutely fine because they're tough as old boots. Crocosmia, no problem at all. They're used to the heat and they're flowering very, very nicely, just as I would expect them to. On this side, the Agapanthus. Again, no problem at all. They have South Africans who are quite used to a baking, and they are enjoying it very, very much. And then on up, the next plant I want to point out is the Sedums. They're all absolutely fine. This is Carl Finkelstein, but all of them are perfectly happy with this lack of water this year. And then a bit further up, we've got some Clematis here, which is Etoile Violette. Now that's on its first flowering and it's keeping its flowers very well. Whereas some of the Clematis that I would expect to have a reflowering by now have not kept going with their buds. They seem to have dropped their buds. So that's been a loser here. And then just moving up, Persecia, absolutely fine. And full of insects all the time. And its leaves are shading the ground beautifully because they're such big leaves. So that's absolutely happy. And just a couple more things to point out to you here. Hibiscus, the white one there, white chiffon, and that one over there, the purple ruffles, Sancho over there, absolutely happy with bright green leaves, whereas this Calicarpa is struggling. It's finding it really hard to form its berries and would therefore not be a good plant to choose if you were planting for a summer like this, which we might have many more of in the future.